Hello friends, today we'll be talking about the introduction to Excel, that is about the home screen. So the first command is Quick Access Toolbar. In short we call them as QAT. This is called save, this is called undo, and this is called redo. So these three commands are known as Quick Access Toolbar. The next one is tabs. This home, insert, page layout, these are known as tabs, or simply we call them as tab. Then the next one is called ribbons. Now below these tabs you can see a number of multiple commands, multiple options. These are known as the ribbons. Now if you want to hide the ribbons, we can simply double click in the tab, home tab. If you want to bring it back again, double click here. The next one is called rows, columns and cells. So this is called the columns. This 1, 2, 3, 4. These are known as rows. So if you click in the row heading, the whole row will be selected. Now you can see the whole row is selected. And rows are labeled from top to bottom like this. 1, row number 2, row number 3. The next one is called column. This is column A. This is column B. So if you click in the headings of the column, the whole column will be selected. The next one is the cell. This is the cell. A cell is the intersection of row and a column. The next one is called name, file name. Here you can see this is called the file name. I have given the file name as Excel Introduction. So it will display the name of the file. The next one is the name box. Here you can see A7. It displays, suppose for example, let's say I have selected this column and I have selected this cell. It will display the column name and the row number. Now it is displaying B7 because my active cell is column B and row number 7. Now if I place my cursor here, it will display B5. So it's displaying B5. And this is called the formula bar. Whatever we type here, it will display in the formula bar. So this is called the formula bar. This one is called the formula bar. The next one is scroll bar. If you want to move your document up and down, we can use this vertical scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bar. Then the next scroll bar is the horizontal scroll bar. We can move left and right. The next one is the zoom. If you want to increase or decrease the size of your workbook, you can click this plus sign. So the cells will also get increased like this. If you want to make it smaller, you click this minus sign. Then what is called selecting ranges. Selecting ranges means, suppose let's say I want to select these cells. This is called selecting ranges. This is called selecting ranges. I have selected these cells. The next one is called entering data. If you want to enter data in any of the cell, you have to click there and just type like this. So this is called entering data. The next one is called active cell. What is called active cell? Suppose I have placed my cursor here. This becomes the active cell. So now you can type here in the active cell. The next one is called edit data. If you want to edit, if you want to make some changes, just select on the cell, click on the cell and press F2 from the keyboard and we can edit. Or you can double click here and you can move your cursor. The next one is called workbook. What is called workbook? Workbook is a collection of many worksheets. This is the workbook. A workbook is a collection of many worksheets. These are called the worksheets. And this is the workbook.